shop here a lot. Can you hook me up with the prices from 8 years ago? $80 to clean your house? No. A professional cleaning business owner here. Let's talk about it. I had a former client reach out to me about wanting to get back on my cleaning schedule. Now, this was a client I had back in 2017 for maybe about a year or so, and she told me she had to freeze services for financial reasons. And I'm like, okay, that's fine. She had a 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo, and I was charging her $80 monthly to clean. And it took me around 2 hours. So $40 an hour for 2017. I was okay with that. We're in 2025 now. She reached out to me a few months ago. Kathy, hey, do you remember me? It's so-and-so. And I thought, oh my goodness, I totally remember you. I remember every single client, past and present. I can look at a toilet and know which client that's from. Any other professional cleaners have that like weird power to remember things? So I'm like, hey girl, how you doing? She said, fabulous. I'd like to get back on your cleaning schedule, but can we keep it at that $80 monthly rate? Girl. I didn't actually say that, but in my head I was thinking it. And I wrote back, I said, what town are you in and how many square feet is the home, like I always do? And she said, oh, I'm in the same place, same 2-bedroom, same 2-bath, same family structure, same everything. And I'd like to keep that same price. $80. And I wrote back, well, unfortunately, I can't keep you at that price. That was a price that I offered you in 2017. This is 2025. I can't. My lowest monthly client who lives 7 minutes from me is a 1-bedroom, 1-bath apartment complex unit, and I charge her $100 monthly. And that takes me an hour and a half, maybe. And she's a sweet elderly woman, so I don't feel like charging her more than that. And I'm comfortable with that. But there's no way that in 2025, I'm charging $80 for a monthly cleaning. It's not going to happen for the 2-bedroom, 2-bath house that she has. It's not going to happen. It's just not financially feasible. And she wrote back, oh, I'm so sorry to hear that. You were such a great cleaner and I was such a great client to you. Is there anything that you can do to keep me at that rate or even lower? I can't afford more than that. 2017 prices are not the same as 2025. That's like me walking into a grocery store and saying, I want those eggs, but I want them at the 2017 price. I shop here a lot. Can you hook me up with the prices from 8 years ago? Girl, what? Do you think if you go to a mechanic and you say, I need new tires, can you give me prices from 8 years ago for the tires that you sell now? So professional cleaners, don't undersell yourself, okay? Prices increase. Prices don't go down. They go up. Is your bottle of Clorox the same price that you paid 8 years ago? I doubt it. Is your liability insurance the same that you were paying 8 years ago? No way. Is your rent the same price you paid 8 years ago? You have to look at the time you're living in, your expenses, your budget, your finances. Everything has to be included in what you charge. And because your client can't afford it, that doesn't mean you need to lower your prices drastically so that you don't earn a profit just to please them. Because they're on a budget, but so are you as a business owner.